Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today I want to teach you guys how to add featured channels to your YouTube channel. Like I have channels here on my other channels. First, let's do it on a different account because right now I'm on my gaming channel. And maybe I want to do it on my how-to channel. Let's go to our YouTube studio because we're going to be going to our YouTube studio to actually add featured channels. Actually, you could stay in YouTube on computer or desktop. Now I'm in the YouTube studio on my how-to account. I'm going to go into the edit button of our channel. So you could actually just click on our channel. Click on the edit button when it brings down a menu, or you could click on menu button on the side. So I'm actually just gonna click on my channel. I clicked on the edit button, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click home tab. You might be on profile. We're gonna find the layout and we're gonna click on add section. If you don't already have the home tab turned on your YouTube channel, which means you don't have a home, you only have videos and shorts and stuff, click that right there. It's gonna help because you're gonna be able to do a lot more. So we're gonna go down to featured channels, okay? It's gonna bring us to something that looks like this. Really easy. All we do is type a title, type the channel that we want to add here. So we're gonna click right there. So now we have named our little featured channels thing. I'm gonna actually add my main channel in here, the Blue Crew Vlogs. So I added the Blue Crew Vlogs and the Blue Crew Gaming as my little thing there. Go and click done, publish. And as you can see now, we got featured channels on our YouTube channel. Really easy. Like, subscribe now, peace out.